In this video, I will be showing you how to comment on YouTube videos. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and click on the address bar at the top. I type YouTube into the search bar, select the YouTube search result, and click on the official YouTube link to open the homepage. Once the page loads, I scroll down through the feed to find a video I want to watch. I click on a video to open it. An advertisement starts playing, so I wait a moment and then click skip to jump straight to the video content. As the video plays, I scroll down past the video details until I reach the comments section. I click inside the box that says add a comment to activate the text field. Now, I type my message. I type so sweet and real into the box. Once I'm happy with my message, I move my cursor over to the bottom right of the comment box and click the black comment button. My comment is instantly posted at the top of the section. Next, I click on the thumbs up icon right below my new comment to give it a like. Then, I scroll back up the page, move my cursor over to the video recommendations on the right side, and click on another video to watch. As this second video begins to play, I scroll down again to find the comments section below the video title and description. Just like before, I click on the add a comment field. I type out my comment, I love you Nadine, and then I click the comment button on the right to post it. After it appears on the screen, I click the thumbs up button to like my own comment. Finally, I scroll down a bit further to read through the other comments on the video. And that is how you leave comments on YouTube videos. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.